Hello guys! Open na ang ating Unified Payment Center in Batasan Hills, Quezon City. No? So, sa mga malapit po dyan sa may Batasan Hills. So, nandyan po yung address natin sa video. And ito po yung ating Unified Payment Center, Arrows Payment Center. So, this is owned by Sir Hilario and Ma'am Rose. So, actually, last month po sila nakapag-avail, nakahabol sa ating promo for the Unified Payment Center. And ngayon po, today actually yung kanilang opening or starting day na pag-ooperate nila nitong ating payment center. So, congratulations Ma'am and Sir, and syempre best of luck sa tinayo nating business. So, sa mga viewers natin dyan, if you are interested to put up this kind of outlet also na nag-o-offer ng all-in-one services, so pwede ka pa ding humabol ng promo natin until July 31. And kumbaga message mo lang ako para ma-set kita ng appointment for our online